Besides being fluffy, caring, or in some cases downright frightening, animals are important to our planet. Unlike what some of us think, they are not just put here to serve us, but they maintain the natural balance of our global ecosystem. Animals like butterflies and bees pollinate trees and plants. Birds eat insects, and they form a natural pest control. And algae literally consume carbon. In other words, they make this planet a sustainable habitat. And without them, our world would crumble. It is time that we start helping them.